I'm calling from Saudi Arabia now.
You're calling from Saudi Arabia. Yes, yes, yes.
Now I am sitting car. Oh,
Yes.
now I'm coming outside.
I hope I
I,
didn't disturb you at that time.
no, no, no problem.
So where are you from in India, sir?
I'm from
Kerala?
Kerala. Yes.
Yeah.
How did you find?
Yeah, I find the way you people talk.
Oh, really? Good.
Yeah.
Okay.
എന്ത് വിശേഷമാണ് ചേട്ടാ?
നല്ല വിശേഷം ആരിഫ്
നല്ല
സുഖം.
സുഖം സുഖമാണ്.
ആരിഫിന് സുഖമാണോ? As my name is Nuruddin
Yeah.
from Kerala, but I am now still in Saudi Arabia. I'm working in Saudi Arabia. I'm house
Yeah.
driver.
Yeah.
Uh, that's all.
Well, sir, I want to say something that, uh, like, as usual, that house driver job as good as very tough as well. We do have
Yeah.
lots of opportunity, but we are packed. We are indulged, or we are on duty 24 hour with our
Yes, really.
supervisor or whatever our owner. So, do you think it's a good job for the people who wants to go in Gulf country? House driver.
Actually, uh, before 2 years, before not 2 years, my before 3 4 years,
Mhm.
I prayed Allah, Allah, mana, I not get, I not want to this job, but I don't like this job. But
Mhm.
every house drivers told I am hearing house drivers jobs very not tough. Sometimes his house owner is not good.
Yeah.
Sometimes not means some owners, not every, some owners not good. That's why I pray Allah. Uh, I want to not get this job. I not like this job. Uh, but sorry, I am sorry. Then Allah give this job. After that, before 2 years, I worked in another job, in company job. After marriage, I left the job. Uh, this before 2 years, one flood come to Kerala.
Mhm.
That's my home is damaged home.
Yeah.
That's same not money make home. That
Mhm.
same I search lot of visa but not get. I get this visa. My friends provide this visa. Uh, I come to this visa. Now it's house owner is very good.
Mhm.
Uh, Yes, and no problem. Now I am 1.5 year ago this job.
Okay. Yeah. Your house owner is fantastic. Alhamdulillah, it's
Mhm.
fine. You are happy
Yes.
with them. But sir, what about the duty hours, sir? There's no limit. What do you think about that?
Uh, I think one day I am driving this vehicle uh 300, 350, sometimes 400, 450, 50 kilometers. I'm drive
Mhm.
one day.
Yeah.
It's a huge kilometer. It's a very but my work is hard, but its honor is good. That's why I am staying this
Yeah.
home.
Yeah.
Uh, Inshallah, I uh, look like another job, good job. Inshallah, it's after the last year, I
Mhm.
am
Yeah. Yeah. Definitely, sir. Definitely. Look, like
salary is not. Yes,
salary is not good. I'll tell you that. I know. I have one of my friend from Qatar. He is also house driver. He told me such kind of things that Arif, there is no limit in one day. Like they can call me anytime. Like
yes, sir.
we have to ready 24 hour anytime. And no leave at all. In a weekly, no weekly leave, no monthly leave. Only leave after every 2 year for one
Yes, sir.
month, sometimes 2 month only, and only providing a little bit salary. Arif, I'm not happy. Yeah, I'm happy with these things, but I am like, I'm working, I'm in a jail. What they say to me, I'm in a jail right now.
Yes, of
What
course.
should I do? I do have a lots of a family, I have a lots of family member in India. There's responsibility on my head. That's why I'm working out here. So I told him, yeah, maybe this is your exam from the God. Just take care, be relaxed, be assured, rest assured, and find out the another job, sir. Find out the other job.
Yeah, of course. Of course. Today is holiday. Friday is
Yeah,
Saudi holiday. But I have job.
yeah. But
Yeah.
they are
Now,
not providing you overtime. They are not giving you no overtime.
but salary is not improved. I think company's job, another jobs, early salary is improved.
Yeah.
But however is not improved good salaries.
Yes, yes. I see, sir.
I'm good, Arif. Now I am 1.5 year in worked in this job.
Mm,
I not interested in this job, but
mm.
uh, inshallah, I look like in another job. Get a good job. I leave this job.
Yeah, definitely, sir. You will get job. There are lots of a job in company. They need your kind of a driver. You are a
Yeah,
driver. People need a driver. Company need a driver. Find out the 8-hour job or 10-hour job at least, that after that you
yeah,
can be sleep peacefully.
yeah. I know.
Mm,
My job is morning 6:30 after Fajar. Morning 6:30 I am start car. My house
mm,
donor is one lady. She's worked in hospital. I'm
yeah,
drop here, and
yeah,
8:30 I am return my home, and
yeah.
after 9:30 or 10 o'clock in next
Mm-hmm,
trip in go to outside. I don't know where go. Some
mm-hmm,
malls. Now I am come to my mall, come to this mall.
yeah,
Uh, then I am come next trip I come to 12 o'clock, 1 o'clock. Then after
mm-hmm,
2 o'clock I'm go with another lady in
yeah.
two total three ladies worked
Mm-hmm,
in
mm-hmm,
and uh, drove it here and come to home in 4:30.
yeah.
After Maghrib, one trip, and after Isha, one trip.
Mm-hmm,
My work finished one day, uh, almost 11:30.
mm-hmm.
30. 9, 11:30, my work is finished. Every day.
Every
Not
day,
I
huh?
wanted. Actually, I do not like this job.
I I understand, sir, but we right now we don't have any other alternative. That's why you're doing. I see,
Yeah,
I
I know.
know.
Now is Corona is, but I think I not leave. But
Mm.
after end of the year, I could buy this job.
Yeah, inshallah, inshallah. Yeah, like my question is, why you are learning English, sir? What's the reason?
Uh, actually, after marriage, I not come Saudi Arabia. I left the job. I go home.
Mm.
That time I search a lot of job, but not
Mm.
get. Uh,
Yeah.
I go to in Malaysia, UK. I like go.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
That time I get one job opportunity in online. Uh,
Mm-hmm.
it's Malaysia. I'm a
Yes.
heavy driver.
Yeah.
I have get one heavy opportunity in Malaysia. That
Yeah.
time you send one. You asked your
Mm-hmm.
experience. So
Yeah.
I have 10-year experience in the heavy vehicle.
Yeah.
But they have asked one another. Uh, okay, that time they asked and you how speak in English. I told I not speak English. I have experience only in heavy department, heavy vehicle.
Yes. Yes.
I not speak in English.
Yeah.
That time I realized I want to study in English. It's one another reason.
Yeah.
Uh, inshallah, How long have you been? I worked in there and about. I want to one day. I want to go in my hometown. I want to settle in my hometown. Okay.
Yeah.
That time I buy one new tourist car. In Kerala is also in tourist place, a place
Yeah.
tourist place. Yeah. I want to buy one tourist car. I want to settle to my hometown.
Mm-hmm.
Actually, I have now four language. I uh, Hindi and Malayalam, Tamil, Arabic I speak.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, I want to learn the English, but
Mm-hmm.
a lot of foreigners come in Kerala. That's time I
Mm-hmm.
learn English. It's good. That's why I'm learning English.
That's fantastic, sir. That's fantastic. Absolutely fantastic. You will learn, sir. You will learn. It's not a big deal.
Okay.
It's not a big deal, sir. Anybody can learn language. English is very easy. You
Yeah,
need
I
to
know.
practice only. You need to practice only.
I have been learning English for since March this year.
Mm-hmm.
I am not good educated. I am only 10th pass. Uh, Not enough money. That's time I'm not going in college or